Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Youth Man. In this video, I'm gonna be giving away 2 AURO 3D demo discs. Now before we get into the video, if you're into home theater, audio and video, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that bell notification so that you'll be notified when the next video drops. All right guys, I hope you're having a fantastic weekend. I'm gonna make this real quick. I haven't been able to produce a video recently. I've just had a ton of work, both on my home business as well as my full-time job. And so we finished up a huge event today. And so once I get past that, I can focus more on putting out some new content at the first of the week for you guys. So if you're interested in winning one of these 2 discs for your home theater, all you have to do is head over to youthmanreviews.com/giveaway. Enter your information there and you'll be entered to win. And this giveaway is worldwide. And so guys, as always, hope you're blessed and we'll catch you in the next video.